This is how to make this viral invisibility effect in After Effects. So for this effect to look good, you will ideally have a still tripod shot of your background. So to start, move to the frame where you have the most amount of background visible. And this is because we're going to remove the object with AI and replace it with a background. Now go to the top to composition, save frame as, and then select file. And then you can choose a custom export location if you want to, and then click on export. Now open the file, and then inside Photoshop, you can remove the object or the person from the image that you want invisible. And you can use the remove tool or generative fill for this. And you can of course also use any other software or website to remove the object. Now import the clean image without the person into After Effects and then drag it below the video layer. We're now going to rotoscope the person from the video. So double click on the layer to open the layer tab, and then use the roto brush tool to create a selection of the object that you want the invisibility effect on. And once you're happy with the selection, you can click on freeze frame and let After Effects do its job. And once the rotoscoping is done, you can exit out of the layer. Now for this effect to work properly, we need to pre-compose the rotoscope layer. So right click on it and select pre-compose. And then make sure to check move all attributes into a new comp and then click on OK. And we can now simply hide the pre-composed layer since we don't need it anymore. Now to create the actual effect, we need to go to effects and then search displacement map. And then apply the displacement map effect to the image that we removed the object from. Now with the layer selected, go to effects controls and then change the displacement map layer to the rotoscoped video layer. This will make it so that we use the rotoscope layer sort of like a matte. And you can now freely adjust the horizontal and vertical displacement to achieve your desired look. And if you get these black areas, then you can just enable wrap pixels around. We've now created this invisibility effect inside After Effects.